Welcome to part 2 of our Albanian trip, the Beast on the road. We just left capital city of Tirana, and we are starting in a city that is called, or area that is called Kruja. A city on the top of the mountain with a beautiful castle, with a beautiful old market that used to be around 7 kilometers long. Of course, there is only a fraction of it now. But anyway, we're starting here and we are going all the way up to Lake Shkoder.
Where are you from?
Slovakia. Actually, I need to find my girlfriend now. I'm pretty sure she's buying something beautiful. Definitely. There she is, buying something. I'm pretty sure she's buying something. Oh, there you go, of course. What you found? Of course.
I found this one.
Of course.
In euro, in pekne? Euro?
Yeah, beautiful.
Isto zaberem.
There we go. She went from there, here, which is like 10 meters. She already got something. Kruja was quite nice, really authentic city, I would say, much different than Tirana. It's always nice we are parking in this parking place. It's awesome to always come back to the bike and actually see that you have all wheels and your bags and everything. Oh, come on guys, I'm just making fun. Nobody's really stealing anything here so far. Anyway, next destination, Shkoder Lake. Business on this street is quite clear, I guess. When I was first time in Albania, I was laughing so much about that. Obviously it says for sale, but you can read it as, you know, somebody saying he shit it. Silly, but quite funny though. So morning to everyone. Yesterday it was just a quick road to Shkoder. It's basically a city, probably the most historical city in Albania. It's on a lake Shkoder, on the borders with Montenegro. We are here because of 2 treks we would like to do in 2 days. Today is gonna be a heavy day. The Beast needs to survive 70 kilometers, I guess, which is what, like 50 miles, maybe less. But it says it's 2.5 hours. The first part of the road, like let's say 50 kilometers, should be super fine. Then the last 15 kilometers, it says we will be doing in 1 hour. I don't know what to expect. But more from our Albanian trip you can see in the next episode. But I can tell you, the road was one of the most challenging and craziest that I ever took with the Beast. You know what? Here is actually a small taste how the next part will look like. Blue eye is not happening. We are lost in the forest. Stairs were fine. Normal hint. I fell down, damaged. So, plan B. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. Like would be awesome. Or if you have any questions, just write them into a comment. If you like to see what I'm working on or where I'm traveling next, follow me on Instagram and Facebook as MartinTheVlogger. And most importantly, remember, always have fun.